All right, Mary, thanks for the heads up. A difficult day of reckoning now with scores of hospital employees out of a job tonight for failing to meet today's state COVID vaccine deadline.
We can now confirm mass firings in southern Colorado hospitals. KRDO investigative reporter Dan Beatty joins us live outside Penrose St. Francis, where dozens were told not to come back to work today. Dan?
Here at Penrose Hospital in Colorado Springs, it's unclear how many employees were told not to come into work today because they remain unvaccinated. But Centura Health, which oversees operations here at Penrose Hospital, as well as other healthcare facilities all across southern Colorado, says they've placed dozens of employees on unpaid administrative leave. Centura healthcare facilities in southern Colorado, which includes hospitals in Colorado Springs, Pueblo, and Canyon City, lost 68 employees on Monday for their choice not to get the vaccine. All 68 were placed on unpaid administrative leave. In a statement, Centura says they are working with these employees to avoid loss of employment. An emergency state mandate in regards to COVID-19 vaccines was issued by the Colorado Board of Health for healthcare workers months ago. October 31st was the deadline to get the vaccine. One day later, Parkview Medical Center in Pueblo fired 56 employees.
However, when you give our employment numbers of 3,000, that's less than 2%.
Rachel Morris with Parkview Medical Center says it could have been worse. The hospital provided last-minute J&J vaccines on Saturday and has approved around 100 exemptions.
We have quite a bit of traveling nurses coming in this month to help with patient care, and it's a very fluid situation. We hope that we can maintain our staffing levels, but we have always, throughout this pandemic since March of 2020, made contingency plans of if things need to shift or change.
Parkview says some staff are picking up extra shifts in order to provide the same care patients need, and they hope to replace the 56 lost employees as soon as possible. I've also reached out to Children's Hospital Colorado to see how many employees they've been forced to either terminate or place on leave. They haven't responded with a number. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Dan Beatty, 13 Investigates.